If you have crepey skin, you can do chemical peels such as Perpetual Youth Skin Peel. You can do it on your face, your neck, your chest, your hands. You can take a Q-tip and then get the wrinkles under your eyes. That works really good. But what if it's your body? You can do that too, or you can get a TCA peel. But the thing about it is to do these consistently, and of course wear sunscreen. The other thing you can do every other night is use a derma roller. This is a 540 needle, and what I do is I just have clean skin at night before I go to bed, because mostly you want to do things at night that are going to wound the skin so your body can naturally repair it. And just doing this, see the little redness? It brings this blood to the surface, but it makes little micro wounds, and those micro wounds heal and create collagen. You don't want to do it every night, just every other night. And within about a couple of weeks, you'll start seeing some real improvement in the laxicity of your skin. And then of course, pair that with your chemical peels and you will see an amazing difference. You can do underneath your arms. My God, I gotta do my elbows. But you can do it anywhere. You can do your chest. You can do the top of your knees. It works really good on the top of your knees. So anyways, do a little bit of this. Not too hard. Just enough to where you get a little bit of wounding, a little bit of redness. Let it heal itself and then repeat. Be consistent and you're going to see an amazing difference. I hope that helps.